Dominique.
Yeah.
Book me a ticket to Jamaica, boo, because this is some vacation here right here. Got that ass, huh? I got you in my video. Ah, see how I did that there? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is. It's another hair review. You can tell from the thumbnail, the title, and all that good stuff. Let's get into it. Before we do, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you like most about this video, and let's just get into it and let's get going. I noticed that we have like a booklet in here for the daily wig. They have so many different styles in this collection, so it's like they're supposed to be easy and beginner friendly, and then you could just pick a style, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, based on what you're gonna see in this review today, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick another style from this collection and try it out. Let's get into Luna though. So today we're gonna be trying out the daily wig, and this is in the style Luna, and I wanted to be bold and crazy with it, so I went ahead and got the DSR mustard gold color. Okay, now she comes in some other colors too: Swedish blonde, deep fuchsia, eggplant, indigo blue, Asian red, paprika, mustard gold, which I have, and velvet green. It's supposed to be something that you could pop on every day, hence daily wig, beginner friendly, and it doesn't have any lace. So this is the construction of the wig. No lace to cut. We just have that one lace part right there, and it's a center part. We have an elastic band. We have 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and it does have some adjustable straps as well. So let me try to get you like a good view of what we look like on the inside. So this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. She's a nice little short bob. Okay, the texture is really soft. She's soft. It's not yucky, so it's kind of a straight texture. It looks, it's kind of shiny, you guys, too. It's very shiny, and of course on the black area is even more shiny than the rest. I wish it would have had a little bit more black and a little bit more blend, but the color is still fun. I mean, I'm not, even though she's a daily wig, I'm not wearing her daily on the go to work. Like, she's bright and bold. This is something that I will wear like to a party or just something fun, but I don't know about work though. Depends on where you work though too. So, I mean, because if you work at a club, then yeah, this is daily wig for you. But let me go ahead and pop on my hair real quick.
Wait, you wanna hit from the back, aye, real hot girl shit, aye, 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 you wanna hit from the back, aye, real hot girl shit, aye, you wanna hit from the back 'cause I'm thick.
All right, so she's an easy wig. It's nothing that you need to do to her. I mean, I did have her on already, but I took it off just to show you guys for demonstration purposes, and I just added a little powder to the part, and I brought it down to my forehead too to kind of blend it out, because she doesn't have lace, so it's a little bit more difficult to blend. I think she looked good right about there. Okay, all right, so now really quick about the shape, like the construction of the wig. She's not big head friendly, not really, because I mean, she's not like really tight or anything, but this is where she stops. Okay, she doesn't even come up here. She stops like right mid-ear, and then this side is a little bit more further back. So like the construction of the wig is not symmetrical. Okay, it's like somebody just made this really quick. It was like, this for the daily, it is what it is, make it real quick and put it on the cap and let them buy it. So this one goes back even further on the side, so if the wind blow, boom, we're gonna see all these edges. If the edges is laid, then you're good, but if it ain't, then I don't know what to tell you. Okay, now why I said she's kind of big back here, like she is loose back here, like, you know that loosey goosey feeling, like the tracks were probably too bunch, or just, I don't know what's going on, but it's kind of loose, and I can kind of feel the tracks. Like, it's just very weird. Like, I don't know. She's big in the back, but she's not big enough in the front where she should have been. Now, I'm not really super tripping off of it because she doesn't have lace, so I'm not going to be pulling her back anyway. I mean, if I did pull her back, I'll just make sure, like I said, that my edges is laid if I want to swoop her behind my ear or something like that. But, I mean, if you have a big head, she will fit you, meaning like she will sit on your head. She's not going to be like so tight that you can't put it on you. Just know that she's not going to go from ear to ear, okay? Now, as far as the color goes, I think she's cute. I think it's fun. It's really giving me like summer vibes or vacation vibes. Like if you going on a vacation, the daily wig is definitely the way to go because it's beginner friendly. And a lot of people who go on vacations, they want some vacation here. This is one that I would really gravitate to, especially since it has has all those different colors that you could choose from. It's just fun, it's bold, and it's easy. You just throw it on your head and keep it pushing. So yes, for beginner friendly. Go ahead and cop you this chick if you about to go on vacation, because I know everybody done filed their taxes, so I know people about to go on cruises, flights to Jamaica, and all that kind of stuff to escape this cold weather. I know what time it is. Listen, I know how y'all get when y'all file them taxes. Y'all act like y'all born y'all got it like that. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, because I do too. But anyways, you can put heat to her up to 400 degrees. I did kind of do a little flat up here like that. And that's it. Just pop her on and go. So she's easy. As far as like tangling or anything goes, she's not tangly. I mean, she's too short to get tangly. Well, that's not true, y'all, because some short wigs still get tangly, you know. But she's not tangly. She's very soft. She's moving. She's flowing. Besides being, you know, a little loose feeling in the back, I mean, she's cool. Just make sure you put your combs in there so she don't be sliding off your head and all that stuff, okay? You got a little bit of security with this thing because you got an elastic, adjustable straps, and combs. So you cannot tell me that she flew off your head for no type of reason at all. Let me go ahead and give you a 360. Alright, so that's what she looks like. She's just a fun wig. If she came in black or something like that, then I definitely would have copped her and wore her on the daily, like for the purpose of what she's supposed to be for, a daily wig. But yeah, I ain't wearing this to work, okay? I ain't wearing this to work. I mean, I might if I'm bold enough to do it. I don't know. But yeah, tell me what you think about this wig. Let me know if you tried out Luna. Should I try her some other colors? I think I'm going to try another daily wig and see what they're working with, okay? Because this one is alright. I just don't like how it ain't coming from ear to ear. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. That's it. Ain't much to her. Alright, y'all, that's it. Like I said, nothing really to it. She's very simple, very easy wig. Not much to say about her. So I'm going to wrap it on up. I'm going to let y'all go. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Comment down below what you enjoyed most about this wig, or if you didn't enjoy it at all. Let me know what you think about her. I'm going to go now. Bye.
Wait, you wanna hit from the back, aye, back, aye, back, aye, back, aye. You wanna hit from the back, aye, back, aye. He wanna hit from the back 'cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. You wanna hit from the back, aye, back.